Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make oven stuffed baked snapper. These are my ingredients. My fish, I've already washed and cleaned it. These are the other ingredients: dry seasoning, callaloo, butter, bell peppers, green onions, minced garlic, fresh thyme, and olive oil. Stay tuned. You just want to cut a little slit in the fish, not too deep. This is so the seasoning can get into the fish. You do it on both sides. Okay, just like so. See that? Okay. So you want to season your fish generously, get into the slits that you made on both sides. And you want to season the inside of it, also in the head, and just rub it nicely. Okay. Okay guys, so I've seasoned up my fish. Now I'm going to combine all my ingredients in with the callaloo. Okay, so I'm going to add my green onions. Next I'm going to add my minced garlic. My onions. Thyme. And my peppers. And I'm using the rest of my powder seasoning. And I'm going to add some olive oil to it. Maybe like 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to mix well to combine everything, because I'm going to stuff the fish inside with this. And guys, I'm using frozen callaloo. This is callaloo from my garden, so I think this is the last bag I have left. So I figure, why not use it to make some stuffed fish? So here it is. So I'm going to stuff the fish with all this goodness. Stay tuned. Here it is, guys. This is my stuffing. So now I'm going to stuff each fish inside. Okay? So you just basically open your fish and you put a generously amount of stuffing in it. Just like so. And you want to make sure you get up in the head as well. Okay? The leftover stuffing, I'm going to use it as a bed. So I'm putting the rest of the stuffing into a baking pan. And I'm just going to make a bed to lay the fish on. So just do like so. Okay. I'm going to lay my fish just like so. Gotta move this guy over a little bit. And guys, next I'm going to put a piece of butter. Just stuff it in each one. Okay? in the cavity of the fish and stuff your butter. And I have my oven preheated on 350, and I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to allow the fish to cook. Okay? So, stay tuned. Alright guys, let's check it out. Delicious. I'm just gonna leave it uncovered so it can catch a little color. Okay, for probably like 5 minutes. So I don't want it to dry out. See, the fish is nice and moist, so that's how we want it. I just need a little color. It's all completed. I will put everything in the description box, and if you guys like this recipe, please let me know. And until next time, be kind to others. Voila. You guys, let's try it out. Look at that. See that? Nice and flaky and moist. Just gotta be careful with the bones. It's yummy, guys. Let me get another. See that? Look at that. Oops. Delicious.